Hey guys, welcome back once again. As you can see a program on your screen, you have to find output for this program. So let's start guessing. Your time start now. Okay guys, time up. So let me explain this program to you. I have one variable I which is initialized with value 10. Another one variable I have, this is a pointer which is basically pointing to I. Okay, and now I am printing the pointer value and we are doing the post increment. So let me execute this program. As you can see here, I am getting 10. Okay, so let's understand this. Here this variable p means pointer p is pointing to variable 10 as of now. And what here we are doing, we are accessing the value of variable of I. So it's now 10, right? And after that what we are doing, we are doing post increment. So here the 10 value will be assigned here and it will get printed. After that it will be increased by 1. So first here it will print 10, right? So that's why we are getting 10 here. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.